Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if fast charging is not working on NOKIA 5.3. So the first thing is to check the cable. So I'm gonna unplug it and first check if it's not damaged. It is in here, but it still works for me. Then I'm gonna plug it in back so I won't forget it. Then clean the charging port right here, but remember to not clean it with anything metal. So the best thing is a wooden stick or a cotton stick, Q-tips, yeah, that's how it's called. Next, enable fast charging in settings. So we're going to check if the phone even has the option to enable it. In settings, battery, and no, we don't have this option, so the fast charging is always on. And then we're going to check the cable, if the cable is working on with other phones. So with this phone, the fast charging is not working. I don't know why, but with this it's working perfectly fine, charging rapidly. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.